friends, welcome to Perumal Vaibhav. From today, we will be learning Vishnu Sahasranama. Vishnu Sahasranama is a very powerful slokas. It contains 1008 names of Sriman Narayana. It has got a lot of benefits. It gives you immense benefits for the well-being of you and your family. And most probably people will say you should not chant anything for the sake of getting benefits. You should chant Vishnu Sahasranama for the love of Lord Vishnu, Sriman Narayana, to get the grace of Sriman Narayana. If you get the grace of Sriman Narayana, it includes all the benefits by default. So you don't need to ask anything from Sriman Narayana. So once you seek blessings from him, it contains everything in that. So chant Vishnu Sahasranama for the sake of it without asking for any fruits. So let's jump into the first sloka of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama. Okay. Hari Om Chuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chadurbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyahe Sarva Vigno Bhashantahe. This is the first sloka of Vishnu Sahasranama. So what does it mean? Overall, it means is one should meditate upon Vishnu, who is wearing a white attire, who has a moon-like lustre, and who has got 4 arms, and his face he looks with empathy, love, affection, and he loves each and every disciple. Always likes his disciples. He is ready to help all his disciples. One who seek help from him, one who seek grace from him, he is ready to pour grace on his disciples. So that is the phase he looks. He always shows love and affections in his face. When you meditate, you should meditate his smiling face, so with a lot of love, empathy and affection. If you see in this picture, you will see his smiling face, his sattvika face, how he looks. If you see, he pours love towards the disciples. That is what I meant. So you have to meditate with the smiling face of Sriman Narayana when you seek grace from him. So this is the first sloka. Tomorrow we'll be seeing the second sloka. Every day we'll be revising the previous slokas up to 5. Each part will have 5 slokas. So every day we'll be learning new slokas. So in the next 5 days we'll be revising the first part completely. Tomorrow we'll be revising the previous video's sloka. Day after tomorrow we'll be revising 2 slokas before going and learning the third one. And the fourth day will be revising the 3 slokas and learning the fourth one. The last day of this series, of this part, we'll be revising all the 4 slokas before learning the 5th slokas. So this is the way we are going to learn Vishnu Sahasranama. So I'll be giving presentation only in English because we have a lot of people around the world who wants to learn Vishnu Sahasranama. Not only people in Tamil Nadu or Chennai, elsewhere, even in North India, people looks to learn Vishnu Sahasranama. So it will be useful for them also. People who are from Gujarat, who are from northern side like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, elsewhere, all over India or even across the world, they can learn this beautiful slokas. So that is why I have chosen English as a medium of expression, medium of communication. So that it will help everyone in this world to learn this beautiful Vishnu Sahasranama. Okay, so I want to talk about the benefits. As I said, you should not chant Vishnu Sahasranam for the sake of getting any benefits. At the same time, if you chant to seek only grace from the Lord, all the benefits are included when He pour grace on you. So that is the hidden fact which I want to tell you. By chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, it gives you immense peace and tranquility in your life. It gives you complete protection to you and your family, and it will help you to get what you want to perform your karma on a day-to-day basis. So whatever you are destined to get, it make sure it gets it for you. So that is the power of the Vishnu Sahasranama. Also, it gives you protection from various deadly diseases in this world. At the time of this COVID-19, it's very important to chant Vishnu Sahasranam, as it gives you good mind, mind strength, and also protection overall. So this is it about today's sloka, and tomorrow we'll be seeing the next sloka. And before I wind up this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Please don't forget to click on the like button if you like all our videos, and finally I would request you to click on the bell icon in order to get instant updates as soon as I post any video. Thank you for watching this video. Until I post the next video, it's goodbye from Sridhar. Thank you.